Hello and welcome everyone. Lisa here with an introduction to the Safari Animals 4x6 clear stamp set. Come along with me as we explore some of the possibilities this stamp set offers. Plus, stick around to the end because I have some samples to share with you. So let's get started with a closer look at this stamp set. These images show a handsome lion, an elephant, a giraffe, and what a cute hippo, all waiting to wish someone a happy birthday or welcome a new baby. This stamp set will provide you with plenty of options. Now, I prefer to use a stamp positioning tool when I stamp outline images like these, but with clear stamps, you can stamp these images with your acrylic blocks and you can easily realign the image if you need to stamp it a second or third time. For this stamp set, outline dies are not available, so you'll need to fussy cut or use a machine to quickly cut the images out. Simple and quick coloring is made possible by the perfectly sized images. These adorable safari animals can be colored with any coloring mediums in any way you want. Now, here are the samples I promised earlier. We begin with the lion and the new Jungle Frames die set from Whimsy. Now, using the Jungle Frame die set, again, I created layers to show off this adorable giraffe. The last card captures my favorite, the hippo paired with the Whimsy Stamps inlaid bubble dies for a fun shaker card. Click the links in the description box directly below for more information on the products in this video. We hope you'll join us in our Whimsy Stamps and Inspiration Facebook group. Follow us on Instagram and Pinterest for more inspiration. Until next time, please take care.